Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. So, how are you guys? I hope so, guys. You all are fine. So, viewers, in this video, I am going to share with you most stunning and very pretty wreath decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very latest ideas for you guys, and these are very pretty collection of wreath design. These are very unique, these are very classy and very beautiful ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about different craft work. These are super amazing and super unique wreath ideas for you guys. These are super trending and super outstanding wreath design for you guys. You guys make these are very amazing and very classy looks of wreath design. These are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all, and these are super amazing wreath ideas and wreath collection for you. So guys, hope so you are doing well, and these are very classy and very stunning ideas for you guys. So guys, these are very amazing wreath design. You can make these wreath design at home very easily, and you watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath design at home. So guys, follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super stunning and very pretty wreath ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very pretty and these are very unique ideas for you guys, and you must try these wreath design at home, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.